It is summer and it is it is barbecue season. Yeah, those are limes, Grace. Now Grace is transferring the other chicken breast into the plastic bag. This is grown on the vine in the garden, actually. This is a hot chili pepper, just a very small one, finely chopped. And we're going to pour some oil on top. That's enough. That's great. Perfect. Yep. Excellent. I'm going to squirt some honey in there because it's going to be like a honey mustard chicken. That turmeric's going to help give it a mustardy colour, nice yellow colour. Brilliant. That's enough. You to pour by putting some white wine in it. Yeah, excellent. Yep. So now with the second recipe, we are turning and smushing and smushing and turning just to mix everything in together. And now it's all sealed up and we're going to let it marinate for a little while before we cook.
Thank you. Next.
Turn it, see what it looks like. Yep, nicely done. Don't touch the hot stuff. There you go. Brilliant. Nicely done. Put it up wide and push. Go. There you go. Nice. Nicely. Put it right in the middle. We're going to eat right there.